These hibiscus have grown after they flowered some months ago, or a couple months ago. They've grown new leaves. Caterpillars or sawfly larvae ate up the leaves they had in the spring. A lot of the leaves. But I pulled off those caterpillars, so it did not eat the whole plant. But I think, yeah, that this species knows that's a problem, and it grows new foliage after an infestation or later in the season, or it was just too young. Because last year we did not get flowers except just once in the summer. This is the second flowering, and it's more flower buds here. So last year they didn't do this. The plant was smaller, or it's the same height maybe, but it did not have as much foliage. This started growing bushy. This just after flowering the first time. It grew up branches out, and those branches, new branches that's growing out like that, and they're flowering too. They're getting flower buds for flowers. So that's nice. I'm glad to see that this species does it. Or this, I think it's Moschutus, but a strain that it has different leaves, like cosinus leaves, the scarlet marshmallow, or no, scarlet swamp mallow. This one is I forgot the common name. This is the common type wild hibiscus. Oh, and here is the flowers from earlier that made seed. Just recently it turned brown. It was green about a week ago. So before that, I hadn't had seeds. I didn't know, but they were infertile because they weren't pollinating. I hand pollinated these. There was another plant over there that was flowering at the same time. Cross-pollinated those two. So they made a couple seed pods. The others just dropped before they made, right after flowering, like a few days they just dropped, or maybe a week. They were not fertile, I think. That's why. So I'll do that for these flowers next. I will pollinate those by hand and get more seeds that will propagate. I get more of these. I like these type of the really big red flowers. Yeah, it's bushy now. Sending branches out, getting bushy.